Rightio, so what we're going to do now, we're going to do a toastie. Toastie we created for a competition. It's run by a company. They import some pickles called Cook & Nelson. American pickle, beautiful thing. They're really sweet, spicy, it's good. So we called ours the breakfast toastie. Effectively it's like an eggs Benedict, but we've got it in a sandwich. That was the whole idea. So what we got, oh my god, an spoon. We got a beautiful sourdough, lovely bread, toast up really nice. Start off with a bit of relish. We're using like a farm style. It's got a little bit of everything in there. Then we get into our ham. So our ham, again, is from one of our suppliers, Peter Tim's. It's a free range ham. We're getting in whole legs. And then we're putting a maple glaze on top of it. So basically we're cooking that ham again. We're glazing it with a beautiful like maple, mustard, orangey glaze. Cooking it nice and long, nice and hot, so that it actually has got a beautiful crispy exterior to it. A couple of layers of ham. They're quite big fat pieces. I'll see if I can find you another one. A couple of layers of ham in there. And we run with a line of pickles. Like with your burger, don't be afraid. Don't have to, there's no worry, put plenty of pickles in there. Cheese, I like to rip it up. Get it in there, that's me. Spinach, which I actually forgot to put in, but that's all good. That's why spinach is nice and easy. Really the spinach is adding a bit of green, a bit of colour. Spinach is the green that toasts up really well. Again, you want to make sure everything's symmetrical, everything's all over your whole sandwich. Because that's actually quite important. You don't want any boring bits. Salt and pepper. Close her up. She's ready to be toasted. We haven't finished putting all the ingredients in there, but for now, that's what goes in there. Yeah, that's really the inspiration, is basically an eggs Benny in a sandwich. As you can see, there's no hollandaise or eggs in there yet, but they're coming, so don't worry. So just quickly before it goes in, it gets a little basting of garlic oil to help glisten it up, help make it toast up nice. You know, when you're flatting and all you can afford is some bread and some cheese, if you're lucky you can afford the cheese. So yeah, way back, living in Wellington, wherever we were, we had a lot of bread and a lot of cheese, man. So we had different scenarios, different ways, different styles, baking them, frying them, flipping them, you name it, we'd eat it. Our beginnings started in Shades Arcade, which is where 5 Lanes is now, over Cashel Mall, corner Cashel Mall, Hereford Street, Colombo Street. So we had a little takeaway espresso bar in there for about 14 or 15 months before the earthquake happened. Post-earthquake, we set up some containers. We were on Montreal Street serving the local clients around there, takeaway coffees, toasties again. You know, because the reality is that people want that fast, easy comfort foods, something like a ham and cheese or vegetarian toasty, man. People just lap them up. They love it. It's filling, it's warm. So yeah, from there we went Montreal Street, we headed into Restart Mall. We were in both those locations for quite a while, and at the same time we set up here on New Regent Street. And ever since we've been here, A, like having a burger on the menu, A, like having eggs on the menu. We sell so many poached eggs. The other thing that we sell lots of is sandwiches. Feed the locals, you know, the people that walk in. That's what they want to eat. So what Ali's doing here, call it a folded egg. It's effectively just a super thin omelette, cooks super quick. Or a flipped omelette even. Cool, so this is the toastie as it comes out of the sandwich press. Ali's going to get it all sorted for you. Well toasted, cheese is nice and melted. Egg, After the egg, we put in the hollandaise, which is like the real nice sauce additive to our brekkie sandwich. All the pickles and all that are already still in there. A few chives, because you know, scrambled eggs and chives, yum. Voila, beautiful, Ali.
Thank you.
Yeet. That's it. Right, that's Ali's made us this beautiful toastie. Basically, it looks pretty good. I'm keen to get stuck into it. You can vote for it as well. Cook it Nelson. Toastie Takeover, they call it. Man, look at that. Catch you later. Sorry. Once you get in there, it's pretty hard to stop. Taste the pickle, obviously. Hollandaise sauce, cuts through beautifully, it really is. Nice and crispy, melted cheese. If I was allowed, I could eat that most days. Every day, maybe.